Hello friends, this is the summary of your present tense, and now here we will revise all the part of present tense, and also you should try to make the same chart and paste it in your study room, and whenever you free try to see it. In this way you will learn all the rules. So now see here, first one is simple tense, present simple tense. And now for the affirmative, subject plus verb first form plus yes or es plus object. Example, Ram writes a letter. Now for negative, rule is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb first form plus object. In previous classes I have discussed when we use do or does like this and this. Example, Ram does not write a letter. Next one is interrogative. Rule is do or does plus subject plus verb first form plus object question mark. Example, does Ram write a letter question mark. Next one is interrogative negative. Rule, do or does plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object question mark. Example, does Ram not write a letter question mark. So in this way we have changed present simple tense in affirmative, negative, interrogative negative, and also I have given the rules for the affirmative, negative, interrogative negative, and also I have taken the same example. Now in this we know that how you write the same sentences in all the parts. Now next one is present continuous tense. Now what is the rule for the affirmative? Rule is subject plus is, am or are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. So I hope that everyone know that when we use is, am, are, is used with the singular subject, he, she, it, am used with I, and are used with plural subject, we, they, you, etc. Now next one is negative sentences. Subject plus is, am, are plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. So we will write not after the helping verb. Example, Ram is not writing a letter. So this is the example of present continuous tense, and this is the part of negative sentences. Now next is interrogative sentences. What is the rule? Rule is, am, are plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object and question mark. Example, is Ram writing a letter? So whenever you want to make interrogative sentences, write helping verb first. And also you know that there are two types of interrogative sentences. First one is yes or no type, and second one is WH type. So if you want to change it in WH type, write WH first. Now next one is interrogative negative. Rule is, am, are plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object question mark. Example, is Ram not writing a letter, question mark. So in this way I have completed present continuous tense with rule and example, and also we have discussed all part of this tense like affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative, negative. Next one is present perfect tense. Rule for the affirmative is subject plus has or have plus verb third form plus object. In the perfect tense, we always use third form of the verb. Example, Ram has written a letter. For the negative, subject plus has or have plus not plus verb third form plus object. So here we will write not after the helping verb. It means after has or have. Example, Ram has not written a letter. Here written is the third form of the verb. First form is write, second form is wrote, and third form is written. Now for interrogative, has or have plus subject plus verb third form plus object question mark. Example, has Ram written a letter, question mark. Now for interrogative negative, rule is has or have plus subject plus not plus verb third form plus object question mark. Example, has Ram not written a letter? So remember it. In interrogative negative, we write not after the subject. See here. Rule is subject plus not. But in negative, we write not after the helping verb. Has or have plus not. So please remember it. Next one is perfect continuous tense. Rule is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. So remember it, in present perfect continuous tense we also use since and for plus time. Example, Ram has been writing a letter for an hour. For negative, subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. So this is the rule. Example is Ram has not been writing a letter for an hour. Next one is interrogative. So rule for the interrogative sentence is has or have plus subject plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time question mark. Example, has Ram been writing a letter for an hour, question mark. So this is the example of present perfect continuous tense, and here I have discussed interrogative sentence. Now for interrogative negative, rule has or have plus subject plus not plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time question mark. Example, has Ram not been writing a letter for an hour? So now in this way we have completed present tense, and I hope that everyone make same type of chart and paste it in your study room and try to learn every day, because if you want to write correct answers and if you want to speak correct, so you should try to learn all the rules of the tense. Thank you.